Hey my friend, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm home and just here trying to manage coping this hot day, guys. It's another hot day here in England, guys. I'm not gonna tell you no lie. This heat is not the heat that I used to. Oh my gosh. I'm hot. So till so, I don't know for you guys if not hot too. So I don't know. But if you're in the UK, I know what you're going through with this heat. We purchased a fan yesterday, so you will see that I'll put a clip at the back of the video. We purchased a little fan because the one that I had here, it was blowing hot heat, so I was to do without the fan, so we get a little cheap fan. So, I would say that a cheap fan, but we don't want a big fan. It's a little tiny Dex fan. I think we paid £20 for it, yeah. But it's fine, you'll see it in the end of the video. So this morning I woke up, and trying to get my back sort of better, because I pull a muscle in my back during the whole moving thing, and I have to be off to get to recuperate to get my back up and running. It's getting a little bit better, but it's not fully there yet, so I'm still doing the exercise and resting it and managing as best as I can so that I can get my back back in order, so that I can keep doing the things that I want to do, to the best of my ability. So my dishwashing up liquid is finished, the white one, and because I move home, I'm not very near the supermarket Tesco, and I haven't gone because of my back as well. I haven't gone to the supermarket, but I will be going to the supermarket soon, and then I will get my regular dishwashing up liquid, so I'll change out and use that one. Anyway, for breakfast this morning, I'm going to have boiled egg. So I'll be boiling 2 eggs for my breakfast, So here am I popping the eggs in the water. Yeah. So I'm here popping the eggs in the water. Yeah. So anyway, this morning I was here lying down because I'm resting, and I heard a knock at the door. When I looked through the door, it was the police saying, "Come down, come down." Oh my God! But it wasn't. They wasn't looking for my address. They were looking for the next door. So I'm like, oh my God! I've never ever had this before. Like, yeah. But anyway, here I am. I made a cup of tea, and I'm now watering the plants because it's a hot day, you understand? So I always try to get the plants a little water because it's really hot as well. So that's what I'm doing. Yeah, it's very hot, guys. Very, very hot. You have to try to stay hydrated. That's all I can say. Stay hydrated in this weather. Yeah, that's all Guys, if you have your little shorts and your little camis and your little skirts, wear them because this weather is not for jeans right now. Jeans and long sleeve shirt and jeans and then something there is not. This weather is not for that right now. It's you have to wear like short sleeve and you have to wear like skirts and shorts and all these things. Yeah, so that's it. So my egg is ready now. So my egg is ready now. So I'm going to get my eggs out of the shell. I'm having egg with a bit of spinach, guys. The spinach nearly burned because I don't know what I was doing, and then I took my eye off it, and bam bam bam, by the time I took my eye off it it nearly catch, but I caught it in time. Yes, so I'm going to have the egg and the spinach with some bread and butter and water. That's what I'm having for my breakfast. So I'm here cutting up my egg. Egg is organic egg, guys. Very yellow and nice. Yeah. And I love my eggs hard boiled. How do you like your eggs? Comment and let me know. How do you like your eggs? Do you like your eggs hard boiled like me? Or do you like your eggs semi boiled or soft or what? But I like my eggs hard boiled like this, So, yeah, this is how I like my eggs. So, comment and let me know how do you like your eggs. Okay. Um, this is the spinach, guys. I caught it before it burned, but it really nice. Even though it burned a tiny little bit, the little burn really really nice. Yes, so I'm going to have some bread and butter with this. I'm not toasting the bread. I'm just going to apply some butter on it, and that's it. Bread, butter, little spinach, and the boiled eggs. Yeah, so most of the time it's only one egg and normally eat, but today I just think I feel for 2 eggs. Yes, I feel for 2 eggs. So that's me there. I'm buttering the bread and I'm using the whole meal brown bread, guys. I don't like the white bread like that. Yeah, so that's what I'm having for breakfast. I hope you enjoy watching this video. And if you're here watching the video, have you hit the subscribe button? Have you hit the like or the love button? Leave me a comment. Tell me if you like this video and tell me how you like your eggs. Okay, I'm going to enjoy my breakfast this morning. Yes, my people, I'm putting a little black pepper and a little salt on. So yes, so now that's the breakfast. Now I'm having my breakfast. I'm gonna make a little sandwich. Oh, a piece of the egg right there. Make a little sandwich right now, and I'm going to eat it. So stick and stay with me, and don't go away, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment, and I'll get back to you guys. I'll post your comment in my next vlog. Thank you so much for making it. E&J Lifestyle Farm. We do the work, only watch the video. And all you guys gotta do is just to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So after this, guys, I will just show you the fan that we bought and how we install the fan, and it's working. Yeah, so if you are here in England going through the hot weather, please grab yourself a fan, guys. They're selling out very fast because that's what happened. The weather always creep up on us, and then fans get scarce, you know. So now is the right time to grab your fans if you want fans, guys. So I'm here making myself a nice glass of ice cold water. So I normally set my ice with boiling water from the kettle. So I boil it, leave it to cool, then put it in the tray and set the ice. So that's how I do it. And I also use bottled water, and also I use the boiling water. I'll boil the water, put it in a little jar, pop it in the fridge, and that is how I make my own water, guys. So it's best to boil your water and put it, let it cool down, put it in a bottle, put it in the fridge, and also use the same boiling water to put in your ice tray to set your ice. Okay, squeeze a little lime into your drink. It's nice, it's refreshing, and it also sort of help to make, ooh, I spilled it. It's really good, guys, for like your throat and everything like that in this hot weather. So I'm going to enjoy my water, my ice cold water, guys. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching today's video, and thank you so much for making it ENJ Lifestyle Farm. We do the work, when we watch the video. All you guys gotta do is like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So watch the video to the end, and there you'll see the fan that we purchased, guys, you know. So yeah, so don't forget to hit that subscribe bell. It's as easy as ABC, 1 2 3, you and me. Okay, so that's the fan, guys. Everybody wants a fun right now.
So I can't go now.
You don't need to pull it out because you're not going to plug it in.
Why not?
Where are you going to plug it? Is there an extension or two?
I can put my extension for an extension to see it.
You don't need to test it out here. You don't want it from outside.
You want it?
Anyway, put on where you put on.
Is it interesting? It's very cool. See that? That is that. 2-speed. You don't want it bigger. Huh? So I'm going to kind of like the heat. You know this, yeah? Oh, sorry, this is a little screw hole in the box here, so. This is a little screw hole. Already damaged. You should not get it, Nicky. You should not fit up this in there. Pin the screws out.
Rampan? Huh? An couple.
What?
An.
And the screw over. No, screws out.
That's the fan.